Hello guys, let's talk NIO stock. It's showing mixed signals, possibly consolidating between 8.35 to 8.4 before targeting 8.8, but risks persist. What's happening with NIO stock, and the question is whether NIO can recover quickly or not. Now, let's take a look at what's happening in the overall market. NIO is today experiencing a bullish crossover on the PPO, attempting to find its balance, but this is a somewhat weak attempt, like there was a gap. As the days pass, the situation still seems a bit fragile, not entirely bullish, but not weak either. It's somewhere in between. NIO was only up by 0.9 points, so it's performing slightly better than the market, but it's still not showing significant strength as it's only at 8.5. The question is whether the market will bounce back with NIO. Personally, I believe there are chances for the market to go a bit lower before bouncing again. However, for the medium term, there's a higher probability of the market gaining more momentum. Before diving deeper into this and providing more context, let's first discuss the news. In the news, it's still being talked about that the company, which is considered unprofitable, NIO, has unveiled a new phone for drivers. This news is important because this new phone could be a significant source of revenue for NIO. However, at the moment, the specifications and data are so limited that I can't tell you how profitable it might be for NIO or whether NIO will decide to increase its prices. Compared to their previous models, the NIO phone is indeed a bit more, affordable for many people and NIO users, especially when compared to other companies like Huawei, which are selling their smartphones with similar software. But still, I have a question because I don't really know how profitable it is and how many phones they actually sell. But at the end of the day, I think it's very promising, and we'll see what impact it has. And remember, friends, we are moving towards the end of the month, so in the next 8 to 9 days, we will receive the September numbers. This is also crucial for NIO because it will provide us with valuable data. Apart from today, we have no other news. For this week, it seems that things might remain relatively quiet, possibly until the end of the week, and there won't be anything significant happening in the stock market. NIO had a volume of approximately 36 million, and there wasn't any significant movement in volume. Overall, the price pressure ratio was quite stable. Despite around 32 million shares being shorted in NIO, it is still underperforming. NIO trend is relatively stable, and it is not succeeding in triggering a massive short squeeze. The question is whether NIO will bounce back. Currently, NIO is in an uptrend after touching its bottom, and there might be an attempt to bounce from this point, but it's also possible that we may stay right where we are for a while. For some time now, we have received an announcement of resistance rejection around the 8.8 area, and support is near the 8.4 zone. I believe we can retest the 8.35 to 8.4 range, then consolidate before attempting to move back towards 8.8. I think this is quite possible for NIO, but there is still some downside risk. We might be testing the 8.3 to 8.5 range again before experiencing a bounce in NIO as it attempts to move back towards 8.8. So I suggest that all NIO stockholders be prepared for this potential scenario. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing and see you in the next video.